Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with charged AirPods Max and your device nearby. Plug in the lightning cable until the LED indicates sufficient power. This prevents interruptions. Press and hold the noise control button to power on and trigger pairing mode. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth, find AirPods Max, and tap to connect. Once done, you'll see a confirmation or audio cue. Make sure your device shows them as connected before moving on so audio routes correctly. You should now focus on comfort and control because fit affects sound and noise isolation. Slide the telescoping headband until cups sit evenly over your ears with a light, uniform seal. Use the digital crown to change volume and the noise control button to toggle active noise cancellation versus transparency. Short presses work quickly. Open your device's audio settings to enable spatial audio and head tracking for immersive sound. Once set, test with music and dialogue. You're almost done. Verify final audio quality by playing dialogue-heavy content and a bass-rich track to confirm clarity and response. Make small EQ or balance tweaks in your device's sound settings if voices or low end seem off. Keep the firmware current by leaving the headphones connected to an iPhone overnight. Updates install automatically. If things go wrong, reset the AirPods Max by holding the noise control button and digital crown together for about 15 seconds. This resolves most persistent connection or playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.